440 hertz. That is the number of waves that occurs per cycle. Hertz was actually named after a person. When you double the frequencies, 440 hertz, you get 880. So you have a higher frequency, right? But it's the same sound. It constitutes an octave. To understand this in music, you have to study physics, right? Now, physics and music are mutually exclusive. You have to take,
you know, these...
Not lecturing, but mostly writing and working for companies.
Right, okay. So you just get gigs related to knowing a lot about all these subjects and being able to explain them and talk
Being
about
able
them.
to solve problems.
Okay.
I have a gift to solve problems.
But then when you're not doing that, comedy.
Yeah.
You have to take psychopathology, power psychology, because you have to take stuff like precognition, premonition, clairvoyance, lucid dream. A number of different power psychological phenomena are augmented, modified, and
you put a very mad to form the musical structure in the Western Hemisphere. One of the biggest phenomena we have in music is something like psycholinguistics, sociolinguistics, and the philosophical aspect of linguistics. We probably don't have
Rhythmic, meaning that the human ear interprets sounds in increments. So